Hello. I want to share with you a really quick tip and way to get yourself aligned for having a great day. So, take EFT. EFT is emotional freedom technique, and it is a way to tap into our energy fields a desired state. It's also a great way to tap out an undesired state. But today I want to show you a very quick shortcut that we can use for getting into the desired state of what it is we need to have to take on a certain task. So in the morning, a great thing to do is to just start tapping and say, I choose to have a great day today. And I completely love, accept, and honor myself. I choose to have an incredibly efficient day, and I completely love, accept, and honor myself. I choose to have a glorious day today, and I completely love, accept, and honor myself. So what we do is we tap, we state what it is that we want to have. For you, it might be, I choose to have a peaceful day. I choose to have a self-confident day. I choose to have a restful day. Like, what is the thing that you need for that day? You choose it and you tap it in, and then you say, I completely love, accept, and honor myself. And then you go through the tapping points, and I will say things, and you tap along with me and repeat out loud after me. I'll leave a gap as I do this, and we'll just state, I choose to have an amazing day today. I choose to have a successful day today. I choose to have a satisfying day today. I choose to feel amazing today. I choose to feel confident today. I choose to be focused today. I choose to be relaxed today. I choose to have an amazing day. I want to have fun today. I want to feel proud today. I want to feel motivated today. I want to feel organized. I want to be efficient. I want to feel fulfilled. I want to be excited. I choose to have an amazing day. So that's just a very simple, streamlined way to get yourself into a juicy, wonderful state before you begin to take your actions. If you haven't watched the video that I did before this, tune into it. I'll put the link below. It's going to explain why it's so important to get your energy field and your vibrational state into alignment with what it is that you're trying to achieve, because it's going to make you way more efficient at landing the impact that you desire for whatever it is that you're doing that day. So I think that one of the things that I love about EFT is it's just kind of like, I feel like it kind of scrubs out the insecurity, the doubt, the patterns, the beliefs, the habits, the things that don't serve me. And I love to focus on the positive because I get more excited more quickly when I focus on the positive. So that's a great little tapping that I like to do. If I'm really stuck in kind of the doldrums, or I'm unmotivated, or I'm feeling a little bit anxious or insecure, that's what I do, is I just tap in and I only talk about what it is that I desire and that I choose to have that. So I hope this helps you. If it did, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Bambi Thompson. I'm a brain coach for anxiety transformation and success acceleration. And I help you get your confidence. It's kind of like I give you the mute button for your mind and the acceleration switch for your success. And subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for notifications, and you'll be getting lots of tips and tricks to rein in your brain and unleash your success. Have a wonderful day.